My dear friend, I telling about the fact in this channel regarding the share market. 2 lakhs already done 130 crore in the year of 2016. One person grandfather already invest in the share market in the year of 1990 in the MRF share. At that time particular share was at the rate of 10 rupees. Those guy already sold at the rate of 65,000 in the year of 2016. The already fact video, the particular our channel description box G News, the particular guy videos at the genuine news G News, already that particular video link I given in my description box. You want to see the full video, 2 lakhs rupees in the year of 1990. That particular person grandfather invest in the year of 1990 in the MRF share at the rate of 10 rupees. On in the year 2016, that value was 2 lakhs is equal to 130 crore in 2016. Today is the 2023. Now the present value of this particular share is the 90,000 to 1 lakhs. But in 2016 that particular share value was 65,000 per share. So 2 lakhs already done 130 crore in 2016. Please see the fact video G business, the fact video is given in the link. You click. If any problem not found, you message me, or I given you the link to you. Thank you. Goodbye.